welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do these extra long extended 48-inch locks. I was sent these locks off Amazon and they are called new locks in the length 24 inches. It comes with 6 packs and I just extended them to make them 48 inches so that way they're extra long because I'm being extra. It came with 6 packs in the color 1B and right now they're only $47.99. All you have to do extra is buy some 1B spring twist hair to wrap up your roots so that way it looks natural. But this style was super easy and I'm really happy with these locks. They remind me a lot of the Bobbi Boss new locks. I'm pretty sure they all use kind of like the same hair, but these locks look very natural, very nice. They were very easy to work with and extend, so just stay tuned and keep watching this video to see how I achieve this hairstyle. So let's start off with the supplies we're gonna need. I got these 24-inch new locks from Amazon and it came with 6 packs for about $48. You guys, this hair is super great. They remind me of the Bobbi Boss new locks. They're very similar and it may look like it's not a lot, but this is like 20 to 21 locks in each pack, so it's more than enough hair. Then I used 2 packs of 1B spring twist hair. Once I crochet the lock in, I wrap it with spring twist hair to make it look more realistic, like it's real locks. If you order these locks that I mentioned in the beginning, it does come with a crochet hook, so that's very handy. Then go ahead and use your favorite edge control. This one is my personal favorite, and I also don't show it, but I use a comb and also a lighter as well. So it's honestly easy just to part and plait your hair first before you start crocheting all the locks in. I just did the free part method where it's not a box, it's just kind of like a half circle and the parts don't have to be perfect, and this looks more like a realistic part you would have with locks. So how you would extend the locks is you would take 2 of these pre-wrapped locks out of the package. Then you would take one of the locks where it is pre-looped. This is where you would crochet it on your head, but you're going to take that and open up that loop. Then you want to take the other lock where it ends and not where it would go on the scalp. This is the bottom of the lock. And then you're going to insert the bottom of that lock into the opening of the other lock, and then you're going to tie a very tight knot. Then at this point it's easiest for me to just put half of that lock underneath my leg so that way I can create some tension before I start wrapping it. So after you got a tight knot, you want to take that end piece that's sticking out and you want to unravel it and fluff out that hair like so. Then you want to split the hair in half and you want to wrap it around the knots that you made when you tie both of these locks together. This is going to make it seamless, like it's one lock. So I wrap one half upwards and then I wrap the other half downwards. Then I go ahead and take my lighter and put it up to that area where I connected it and then palm it in my hands until I see that it is seamless and you can't tell the transition. So then I'm just going to show you how to extend it one more time just for your reference. So you take both your locks and then you take one half where it is that loop opening where you would normally crochet it onto your head. Then you take the other half where it is finished at the end, put it inside that loop and tie a really tight knot. Then you want to start to unravel and fluff out that end piece that's sticking out after you knotted it up. Then you want to split the hair in half and wrap half of it upwards to cover that knot where you connected the two. And then you want to take the other half and wrap it downwards so that way it just keeps covering up that knot and it looks seamless. Go ahead and take your lighter and put it up to that part where you connected it and palm it in your hands until you can't see the transition of the two locks. So now it's time to actually crochet the lock onto our braid. You want to open up the loop of the extended lock. One of the locks should still have a loop because we connected its finish end onto the loop of the other end. So make sure your crochet hook is closed, and then you want to stick it through the root of your braid. Once it's through your braid, the latch should now be open, and once you've made sure that it's open, go ahead and put that loop of the lock onto that crochet hook. Once that loop is on the hook, close the latch and then pull it through your braid. Go ahead and open up that loop and then put your real hair through the loop only. Once your hair is through the loop, pull your hair in the lock tightly until it's secure on your head. This is where I take my spring twist hair and I fluff it out, and I'm going to wrap it around the top of the lock, put half of the hair down, and then the longer half I'm going to start wrapping around the lock, covering up my braid and making it look seamless like it's coming from my scalp. Once you have wrapped down to where your hair is covered, go ahead and palm it in your hands and it should look like a seamless transition like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more time. You want to take your extended lock at the loop, open the loop, and make sure your crochet hook is closed. Put the closed crochet hook through your braid. Once it goes through your braid, the hook should now be open. Hook on the extended lock onto the open crochet hook, and then you want to close the hook and pull it through your braid. Next, you want to take your hair and pull it through the opening of the loop, and then pull both your hair and the lock tight until it's secure. Next, you want to take some spring twist hair, fluff it out as much as possible. Then you want to take the shorter half of the spring twist hair and place it on the lock and your real hair, and take the longer half and start to wrap it from the root downwards until you have covered your real hair. Once you have went past your real hair, you want to palm it in your hands so that way you secure the spring twist hair and it doesn't unravel, and it should look seamless like this. So these logs are super long. This is just to give you an idea. They are 48 inches and they are just giving me life. They are so long, so cute, and I'm loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, found it helpful. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, I will leave the link down below in my description box, and that way you can just go right to the hair that I got And yeah, if you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know other hairstyles you would like me to try out. And lastly, please subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.